Mabuhay! This is Kobe Monty Alcaliwanag, 221 from the Let's Flowers and Events Management! Palakpakan! And yes, it is a rainy morning here at Circa Del Rio Pavilion and Restaurant, Lucena City para sa wedding ni na Carla and Yasmin. And for today's vlog, samahan niyo akong kilalanin ang different suppliers ng wedding today. Let's go guys! Let's start with the makeup artist sa room ni Bride. And yes, for today's vlog, kasama po natin ang official hair and makeup artist ni Ma'am Yasmin, Miss Ella. Palakpakan! So Ma'am Ella, do you have any tips sa mga future bride as a makeup artist?
Pinaka-tips ko sa kanila, alagaan yung skin. Kasi nasa skin din talaga nag-start ang magandang makeup. Para alam yung best talaga yung makeup na gagawin natin.
Yeah. So guys, sa mga future bride na nanonood ng vlog na to, if you have you can contact Miss Ella on her official social media accounts.
Makeup by Ella Singh.
Yes, Makeup by Ella Singh. Palakpakan! And yes, of course, nandito tayo sa ating mobile bar station from What's Up Doc Mobile Bar! At yan, kasama natin ang dalawang poging bartender from there. Hello, mabuhay! Hello, madam people, mabuhay! At syempre, hindi mabubuo ang isang kasalan kung walang handa. Handa na ba kayo? Palakpakan! Syempre, kasama natin ngayon for today's event ang Bellagio's Catering Services. Hello, mabuhay! Yeah. And of course, kasama rin natin ngayon one of the best photographer in town, Bryant Nunez of BMVD.
Cadê as popozuras fazendo o quadradinho? Desce até o chão, esse é bonde do Brunão. Desce até o chão, esse é bonde do Brunão. Rebola, for Brunão. Bola, for
At syempre, hindi din to makukumpleto ang isang event kung walang magpapasaya sa ating mga bisita and of course sa ating newly wedded couple. I'm here with Idol James.
Wow! Kala ko okay na. Hi, good evening everyone and hello mga ka-purple. Ako nga po ulit makakasama niyo for tonight's wedding event. And of course, kasama ko Lilet's Flowers and Events Management. Maraming salamat. And of course, powered by Bellagio's Catering Managed Sound System. So, see you later guys. And for sure, magiging masaya naman tong wedding na to.
Yeah, see you later guys. Bye!
Bye!
At ngayon kasama po natin ang pinaka-fresh, pinaka-maganda at pinaka-banat sa lahat. Palakpakan po natin, Sir Dong Pasafari, Head Event Coordinator of the Let's.
Hello, mabuhay, beautiful people, mga ka-purple. So, welcome to Carla and Yasmin wedding reception. So, actually, ceremony and in a short while matatapos na ito. So, in event planning, madami tayong dapat paghandaan. Unang-una, kailangan best choice of our suppliers. So, ngayon, lahat ng mga suppliers na nakasama namin is very recommendable. Kaya sa mga future events nyo, guys, don't hesitate to book us on your future event. Salamat!
What a glamorous and a spectacular evening to each and everybody. Hello, hi, and mabuhay, beautiful people of Circa Del Rio. Wala po ba tayo? Palakpakan dyan!